Imagine a computer so powerful that it could solve problems in minutes, problems that would take classical computers billions of years. This isn't science fiction. This is the promise of quantum computing. Quantum computers leverage the principles of quantum mechanics, a branch of physics that explores the behavior of particles at the smallest scales. Unlike classical computers, which use bits as the smallest unit of data, quantum computers use qubits. These qubits can exist in multiple states at once thanks to a phenomenon known as superposition. This allows quantum computers to process a vast number of possibilities simultaneously, making them incredibly powerful for certain types of calculations. At the forefront of this revolution is Google, with its groundbreaking Willow Chip. The Willow Chip represents a significant leap forward in quantum computing. It is designed to harness the power of qubits more efficiently than ever before, pushing the boundaries of what is possible. The potential applications of quantum computing are vast and varied. In the field of medicine, quantum computers could help us develop life-saving drugs in record time by simulating complex molecular interactions with unprecedented accuracy. In material science, they could enable the creation of entirely new materials with properties that we can only dream of today. Imagine materials that are stronger, lighter, and more durable than anything currently available. The implications for artificial intelligence are equally exciting. Quantum computers could vastly improve machine learning algorithms, leading to smarter and more efficient AI systems. The quantum realm with its mind-boggling principles is now accessible to us. This new frontier is not just about faster computers, it's about unlocking new ways of thinking and solving problems. Google's Willow Chip is not merely a technological marvel, it is a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. It is a key that unlocks a universe of possibilities. As we continue to explore and develop this technology, we stand on the brink of a new era, one where the impossible becomes possible. The journey into the quantum realm is just beginning, and the potential is limitless. With each breakthrough, we move closer to a future where quantum computing transforms our world in ways we can only imagine. It is a key that unlocks a universe of possibilities. The future of quantum computing is bright, and the possibilities are endless.
To understand the power of Willow, we must first grasp the fundamental language of quantum mechanics. This field, which delves into the behavior of particles at the smallest scales, is both fascinating and complex. It challenges our classical understanding of the universe and opens up new realms of possibilities. Unlike classical computers that rely on bits, which can be either 0 or 1, quantum computers use qubits. These qubits are the basic units of quantum information, and they operate under entirely different principles. Qubits can exist in a state of superposition, meaning they can be 0, 1, or both simultaneously. This unique property allows quantum computers to process a vast amount of information at once, unlike classical bits which are limited to a single state at any given time. Imagine a coin spinning in the air, not yet landed on heads or tails. That's superposition. In this state, the qubit holds the potential for multiple outcomes, enabling quantum computers to explore many possibilities simultaneously. This bizarre behavior allows quantum computers to perform computations in parallel, vastly speeding up problem solving. By leveraging superposition, quantum computers can tackle complex problems that would take classical computers an impractical amount of time to solve.
Entanglement, another quantum phenomenon, links two or more qubits. When qubits become entangled, their states are interconnected no matter the distance between them. Their fates are intertwined even when separated by vast distances. This means that a change in the state of one qubit will instantaneously affect the state of the other, regardless of the space between them. Any change to one qubit instantly affects the others. This instantaneous connection is what makes entanglement so powerful and mysterious. This interconnection forms the bedrock of quantum computing's power. By harnessing entanglement, quantum computers can perform tasks that are impossible for classical computers, such as breaking complex cryptographic codes or simulating molecular structures for drug discovery. Think of two coins flipping together, always landing on the same side. That's entanglement. This synchronized behavior is what allows quantum computers to achieve unprecedented levels of computational efficiency. This interconnectedness unlocks computational possibilities beyond the reach of classical computers. As we continue to explore and develop quantum technology, the potential applications are limitless, from revolutionizing artificial intelligence to solving some of the world's most pressing challenges.
Google's Willow chip boasts an impressive architecture of 105 qubits. This surpasses previous quantum processors. This higher qubit count translates into greater computational power, allowing Willow to tackle more complex problems. Beyond its qubit count, Willow incorporates error correction techniques. These mitigate the delicate nature of qubits as they are easily disturbed by their environment. These errors can derail computations. Error correction is crucial for building reliable quantum computers.
Willow's innovative design minimizes these disturbances, paving the way for more accurate and reliable quantum computations. This marks a crucial step towards practical quantum computing.
Section 4. A quantum revolution transforming industries. The potential applications of Willow are far-reaching, impacting numerous industries.
In medicine, Willow could accelerate drug discovery. It can simulate molecular interactions with unmatched precision, leading to the development of new drugs and therapies.
In logistics, Willow could optimize complex supply chains, finding the most efficient routes and minimizing delivery times. This has profound implications for businesses and global trade, leading to cost savings and increased efficiency.
Cybersecurity will also be transformed. Willow can break encryption algorithms currently deemed unbreakable by classical computers, leading to the development of new, quantum-resistant encryption methods, protecting sensitive data in the quantum age.
Section 5. Navigating the ethical landscape of quantum computing. The unprecedented power of quantum computing also raises ethical concerns. The ability to break encryption poses risks to privacy and security. If in the wrong hands, quantum computers could wreak havoc.
The potential for job displacement is another concern, as quantum computers automate tasks previously performed by humans. Society must prepare for these changes, ensuring a smooth transition into a quantum-powered workforce.
Open discussions about the ethical use of quantum computing are paramount. We must establish guidelines and regulations to prevent misuse and ensure this technology benefits humanity.
Section 6. The road ahead, challenges and opportunities. Despite its promise, quantum computing is still in its nascent stages. Building and scaling these machines presents significant challenges.
Qubits are extremely sensitive to their environment. Maintaining their delicate quantum states is a constant battle. Error correction is another hurdle. As the number of qubits increases, so too does the potential for errors. Developing robust error correction methods is crucial for building reliable quantum computers.
Despite these challenges, the future of quantum computing is bright. Research is advancing at an unprecedented pace. New breakthroughs are constantly being made. The journey ahead is paved with both challenges and opportunities.
Section 7. A future forged in the quantum crucible. In the heart of our technological advancements lies the quantum crucible, a realm where the boundaries of possibility are constantly being redefined. The development of Google's Willow chip is not just a technological marvel. It represents a significant leap forward in our quest to harness the power of quantum mechanics. This chip is a symbol of our relentless pursuit of knowledge and innovation. It is a testament to the boundless potential of human curiosity. Every breakthrough, every discovery, is a step closer to unlocking the mysteries of the universe. The Willow chip is more than just a piece of technology. It is a beacon of hope and progress.
It is a beacon, illuminating the path towards a future where the seemingly impossible becomes possible. Imagine a world where diseases are eradicated, where energy is limitless, and where our understanding of the universe is unparalleled. Quantum computing has the potential to revolutionize our world. It promises to solve problems that are currently beyond our reach, to process information at unprecedented speeds, and to open new frontiers in science and technology. From medicine to materials science, the applications of quantum computing are vast and varied. It could lead to the development of new drugs, the creation of stronger and lighter materials, and the advancement of nanotechnology. From artificial intelligence to cybersecurity, the possibilities are limitless. Quantum computing could enhance machine learning algorithms, making AI more powerful and efficient. It could also provide new methods for securing our digital world against cyber threats.
As we continue to unlock the secrets of the quantum realm, We are not just advancing technology, we are expanding the horizons of human knowledge. Each discovery brings us closer to a future where the impossible becomes possible. We embark on a journey of discovery. The future is uncertain, but one thing is clear. Quantum computing will play a pivotal role in shaping it. It is a journey filled with challenges and opportunities, and it is up to us to navigate it wisely. But one thing is clear, quantum computing will play a pivotal role in shaping it. The impact of this technology will be felt across all sectors, from healthcare to finance, from education to entertainment.
It is our responsibility to harness this power responsibly, to ensure that it is used for the greater good. We must strive to create a future where technology serves humanity, not the other way around, to ensure that it benefits all of humanity. The quantum revolution is not just about technology, it is about people. It is about creating a world where everyone has the opportunity to thrive. The quantum revolution has begun, and it is up to us to shape its course. We have the power to create a future that is bright, inclusive, and full of possibilities. And the future belongs to those who dare to explore it. Let us embrace the unknown, push the boundaries of what is possible, and forge a future that is truly extraordinary.